Corruption is going on in full pace at Panishagar Subdivision's Flood Control Department and MGN Rega Department. Piyush Malakar, the only engineer of Panishagar Subdivision's Flood Control Department, has been given CC block work in the fiscal year 2019-2020 to prevent the erosion of 4 rivers. Piyush Malakar has been given the duty to implement the 1 crore rupee fund that came for the project. Starting from work-related issues to making bills, everything is under his control. On the other, Piyush Malakar has started 3 works lately and the other one has not been started yet. His only motive is to fill his own pockets without doing any kind of work. Instead of getting the work done, he is looting lakhs of money from the Rega projects. Although the work needed to be completed within 2020, but yet all the works are pending. This has raised several questions among the minds of common people. In these 3 years of BJP governance, lakhs of money that have come from the Center for Rega projects have been looted by the concerned persons who have been authorized the duty of the work and other leaders of the party. All this have raised strong outrage among the people. Most of the time, Piyush Malakar lives with his family at Agartala without attending the office. The blocks that are supposed to be built to prevent soil erosion and floods are of very low quality. It is alleged that the subcontractors is making the blocks with very little share of cement and sand, and in that place he has been filling it with garbage and banana trees in order to make profit. Corrupt engineer Piyush Malakar is embezzling lakhs of rupees by installing poor quality blocks near the river banks. Notably, neither the government norms nor the quality standards are being maintained in the job. The quality of work is poor and the concerned higher authorities are playing the role of a silent spectator. Bureau Report, Halabod.